Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Shin Se-kyung fortune analysis. A request has been made for the analysis of beautiful actress Shin Se-kyung's fortune. There was an application from an overseas YouTube subscriber. Shin Se-kyung's energy flow from her fortune was a very good structure, and Shin Se-kyung is in alliance with the letters that mean a man. So I think she will meet a man whom she loves very, very much. Let's analyze it together. Shin Se-kyung is a beautiful flower in her fortune. Flowers like to be gathered together, and they are strong beings who adapt well everywhere. Shin Se-kyung has a letter that means popularity. It's a letter marked with a pink heart. And there are some words that mean her talent as an actress. Shin Se-kyung is allied with a man with letters that mean honor. This means that when she meets a man, she doesn't break up easily and gets a lot of love. However, the energy of the letter meaning a man flows to the left, passes through the input energy, and comes back to Shin Se-kyung. It's a good structure. Her fortune is well organized to be loved by men. The letters that mean man are energies that can harmonize well with honor and organization. The input energy in the middle is good energy for acquiring knowledge and collecting information. And it is also the energy that is loved by mothers and seniors. If you look here, Shin Se-kyung has a job structure that fits well with her job life because she is suitable for organizational life. Rather than being active, it seems suitable for passive work. However, if you look at the next structure, she is very active and has wealth and artistic talent. Her fortune goes from letters that start with art to letters that start with energy and mean wealth. And the letter mean wealth is made up of two letters in a very powerful position. Shin Se-kyung will have a lot of wealth, and wealth also applies to the crowd that follows her. But I think the reason why Shin Se-kyung's YouTube is running well is also in her fortune. Energy flows back to the letters that mean wealth and honor. Her assistance is also very good. This energy of fortune flows and flows, especially from right to left, and there are many fortune early success. The top part of the fortune is social, and the bottom part is mainly about personal life. Shin Se-kyung lives very faithfully in her given activities and personality. Personally, she is very active, diverse, and active. Its structure, will, social life, and personal life are very different. However, it seems that the flow of energy is very good, that she is allied with men, that wealth and honor are powerful, and that the beginning of all energy is based on artistry, and that she has a good current activity and reputation. It's a great fortune. Please develop further and be happy in the future. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.